Hey everyone, today we are diving into the world of fiber optics. Ever struggled with memorizing the 12 fiber color code? Stick around and I'll give you some foolproof. Memorizing the color code is crucial for fiber optics installations and maintenance. Knowing the fiber color code by heart gives us efficiency. It speeds up the process of installation and maintenance. For example, technicians can connect cables quickly without always referring to a guide. The other advantage is consistency. The fiber color code is standardized in a way that everyone in the industry speaks the same language. This avoids confusion, especially in large-scale projects and complex connections. By memorizing the color code, the risk of errors is significantly reduced. This gives us accuracy. So the 12 fiber color codes are blue, orange, green, brown, slate, white, red, black, yellow, violet, rose, and aqua. It was also hard for me when I started learning the fiber color code, but I used this mnemonic and it made my life so easy. It goes like this: bad odor gets bad. So wash regularly before you visit relatives again. Each initial represents a color in sequence, so practice makes perfect until it becomes second nature. It is so satisfying and it gives you very much confidence when you know the fiber color code. Let's do some quiz together. Before I go, I'm going to leave you with one practical quiz. You are a fiber technician and there is a breakdown in the field. Your manager told you to go and connect fiber color number 5 to fiber color number 12. Which fiber colors are you going to connect? Congratulations! Now you know the 12 fiber color code. If you found this helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video.